As we discussed before, Flux is one of the leaders of the realistic AI image generators at this time. In this video, I will reveal a secret Flux tool that, with just one click, lets you step into your favorite superhero for free. Also, as a bonus part, we will use ChatGPT 4o Mini to describe our ideas to the cinematic text prompts. Recently, a team of AI researchers associated with To The Beginning introduced Fluid for Flux, which provides a tuning free ID customization solution for Flux One Dev. Briefly, we could use this tool to create consistent characters using Flux model in different styles with a single source image without needing to train LoRa models. To using this tool, head over to Hugging Face Spaces that you could find in description below. Log in to your account and search for Pulit for Flux. Let's select this first result. This is Flux Pulit Hugging Face page, and if we scroll a little bit, there are some example prompts here. For example, let's try this one. A woman holding sign with glowing text, Pulit for Flux. And as you see, this Asian woman cloned with the new style. And now let's try this Asian boy portrait with candlelight. As you see, this tool did a great job in cloning this Asian boy as well. Now I want to reprompt my image as my favorite superhero. And let's prompt to put me in one of my favorite movies with a red car and some explosives. You could change these images width and height and also image weight using these sliders. Also, number of image steps is achievable here. I want to use maximum 20 for this example. And let's just leave the other settings to the default and generate this. And I end with this amazing result, and you could download this image using this button here. And since we know how to make a superhero, let's use ChatGPT to convert a movie poster to a detailed text prompt. To do so, head over to ChatGPT's website, click on this attachment icon here and select Upload from my computer. For this example, I want to upload one of the Doctor Strange poster images. Now I want to prompt, describe this image as a detailed text prompt and submit this. And as you see, in just one click, I used ChatGPT to convert this image to the detailed text prompt. So let's copy this and try it in Flux Fluid. And boom! In just one click, my new, consistent, cinematic Flux character is ready. I do the same steps for some of my favorite heroes and achieve to these amazing results. Are you ready for the next step to bring these images to the live cinematic videos? And if you're interested how I use free AI tools to change aspect ratio, upscale, and create these cinematic look videos, please join us in our up next adventure. And please let me know about your experiences in the description below. And thanks for supporting channel with your likes, comments, and of course subscribing channel. And please share this video link with your friends to join us in one-click tutorials AI adventures.